Tired of juggling between your email and Kvcore? Struggling to keep track of your client communications? Then, get ready to simplify your life, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your email to Kvcore. This will let you send and receive emails directly from the platform, track conversations, and boost your overall efficiency. First, log into your Kvcore account. Once you're in, navigate to the Marketing tab on the left-hand side of your screen. It's usually represented by an icon that looks like a megaphone or a chart. Click on it. In the Marketing menu, look for Marketing Autopilot. Click here. Then, from the Marketing Autopilot page, you'll find an option labeled Connect Email. It might also say Email Settings. Click on that. You'll now see a screen presenting you with options for your email provider. Choose the email service you use, like Gmail, Outlook, or other. If you have a different provider for Gmail or Outlook, Kvcore will typically prompt you to log in through a secure authorization process. If you are using Gmail or Outlook, a pop-up window will appear, asking you to log into your email account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account after entering your credentials. You'll likely be asked to grant Kvcore permission to access your email. This is necessary for Kvcore to send and receive emails on your behalf. Carefully review the permissions and click Allow or Grant Access. If you're using other, you'll need to manually enter your email server settings, including the SMTP server, port, and your email password. Once you've successfully connected your email, you should see a confirmation message in Kvcore. It might say something like Email Connected, or Your email is now integrated. Now, you can start sending and receiving emails directly from Kvcore. When you go to a contact's profile, you'll see the option to compose an email. Your sent and received emails will be automatically tracked within Kvcore, giving you a complete communication history for each contact. And that's it. By connecting your email, you've streamlined your workflow and centralized your communication efforts. This will save you time and help you stay organized.